Good morning.
Good morning.
Here we do have two candidates, Sagar and Ashish. Both of them will go for conversation. They have five.
Yes.
They have five topics. On different times they will go for conversation. Here, just give them a big hand.
Hello Rohit.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. How will you get into sex?
No, I quite drained out.
Okay. Do you taste this?
No, thank you.
Okay. We have listened to. We have melted 1 year old. You
Yeah.
are few and far between.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I am very busy.
Okay. Good night. Sir, one more.
Next topic.
Okay. Taxi.
Taxi.
Yes, sir. Go on, sir.
What is the charge?
It is by an hour. It is 10 years per hour.
Let's go to the Marine Beach.
Okay, sir. Please sit down.
What is the speed?
It is 16 kilometers per hour.
Why are you taking so fast?
Sir, because I can't be drive slowly.
Please don't take the risk. Slow with me.
Don't worry, sir. We have reached the distance very quietly. Second clear here. Servant. Owner. It's the time for tea.
Yes sir.
How will you put on the kettle on?
Yes sir.
Why is everything in mess? What is the mess? The mother pat on the kettle. Mother pat will do this. Who will clean up?
I will do it presently.
Okay, you will, and its mind. It is the crockery with you. All the crockery will you carefully because it will be broken.
Yes sir.
Okay, you will, and crockery हो गया then how will you eat?
Yes sir, I will do it.
Okay, and if you have a son to get where is my shoes? Please give them a sign. Front level.
Next.
Rekha, why are you so nasty?
Because I have slept since last night.
And Rima, why are you don't put your hair here?
Because I am so busy because I am like this is morning now.
You know, when I was your age, I used to ready before the sunrise.
Yes sir, but the grandmother says that you have not risen since sunrise.
What is the nonsense?
Fourth layer.
Give them a big hand. Now it's the turn of Kanhaiya. Mr. Kanhaiya, please do come here. Kanhaiya will speak out 60 sentences in essay voice and accordingly 40 sentences essay voice. Kanhaiya के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Kanhaiya.
Sir, I cannot speak in active and passive voice in English.
Only on fixed pattern you need to speak out.
Hello, I am Kanhaiya and
I am going to speak out.
I am going to speak out.
Now you will ask me. Already I have given you.
Mohan creates a scene on the road. A scene is created by Mohan on the road. Mohan doesn't create a scene on the road. Mohan doesn't create a scene on the road. A scene isn't created by Mohan on the road. Does Mohan creates a scene on the road? Is a scene created by Mohan on the road? Why does Mohan create a scene on the road? Why is a scene is created by Mohan on the road? Mohan on the road. Why doesn't Mohan creates a scene on the road? Why isn't a scene is created by Mohan on the road? Present continuous. Mohan is creating a scene on the road. Is a scene is creating by Mohan on the road? Mohan isn't creating a scene on the road. A scene isn't creating by Mohan on the road. Is Mohan creating a scene on the road? Is a scene being creating by Mohan on the road? Why is Mohan creating a scene on the road? Why is a scene is being creating by Mohan on the road? Why isn't Mohan creating a scene on the road? Why isn't a scene creating by Mohan on the road?
Now I would like to invite Sunil. Mr. Sunil, please come on the stage. He will speak out about life. What does it mean? He will speak out in Hindi as well as in English. Sunil.
I'm Sunil Kumar and I want to say what is the meaning of the life, and next I want to say the sentences Sita Sark over small matters.
Okay.
At first, what is the life? Life is the tragedy for those who believe in thinking. Life is a comedy for those who believe in doing. Be happy and have so many friends, become gloomy and lose all of them. If you have sense of comedy, they will find you. If you have sense of tragedy, they all will remaining very few. They would like to get full measure of your pleasure, but they need not to have over and displeasure. There is none who would decline your nectar one, but none of them would like to take life's ball. That would be remain of mind. As a matter of fact, this is the life. And next, Sita sulks over small matters. Sita sulks over small matters. Sita doesn't sulk over small matters. Does Sita sulk over small matters? Why does Sita sulk over small matters? Why didn't Sita sulk over small matters? Sita is sulking over small matters. Sita isn't sulking over small matters. Is Sita sulking over small matters? Why is Sita sulking over small matters? Why isn't Sita sulking over small matters? Sita has sulked over small matters. Sita hasn't sulked over small matters. Has Sita sulked over small matters? Why has Sita sulked over small matters? Why hasn't Sita sulked over small matters? Sita has been sulking over small matters since morning. Sita hasn't been sulking over small matters since morning. Has Sita been sulking over small matters since morning? Why has Sita been sulking over small matters since morning? Why hasn't Sita been sulking over small matters since morning? Sita sulked over small matters. Sita didn't sulk over small matters. Did Sita sulk over small matters? Why did Sita sulk over small matters? Why didn't Sita sulk over small matters? Sita was sulking over small matters. Sita wasn't sulking over small matters. Was Sita sulking over small matters? Why was Sita sulking over small matters? Why wasn't Sita sulking over small matters? Sita had sulked over small matters. Sita hadn't sulked over small matters. Had Sita sulked over small matters? Why had Sita sulked over small matters? Why hadn't Sita sulked over small matters? Sita had been sulking over small matters since morning. Sita hadn't been sulking over small matters since morning. Had Sita been sulking over small matters since morning? Why had Sita been sulking over small matters since morning? Why hadn't Sita been sulking over small matters since morning? Sita will sulk over small matters. Sita won't sulk over small matters. Will Sita sulk over small matters? Why will Sita sulk over small matters? Sita will be sulking over small matters. Sita won't be sulking over small matters. Will Sita be sulking over small matters? Why will Sita be sulking over small matters? Why won't Sita be sulking over small matters? Sita will have sulked over small matters. Sita won't have sulked over small matters. Will Sita have sulked over small matters? Why will Sita have sulked over small matters? Why won't Sita have sulked over small matters? Sita will have sulking over small matters since morning. Sita won't have been sulking over small matters since morning. Will Sita have been sulking over small matters since morning? Why will Sita have been sulking over small matters since morning? Why won't Sita have been sulking over small matters since morning?
Very good. Give a big hand. Please don't cooperate. B. Continued on the letter. Now it's the turn. You will have to let them know about modals. How many types of modals are there in English language, along with explanation. Okay, do it, sir.
There are 16 modals: can, could, may, might, have, had, should, would, must, used to, ought to, need, dare, would, shall, will, would, used to, etc.
Now explanation of each and every modals.
At first, can.
Please be seated.
At first, can, it means use in physical ability. I can lift this weight. Second, mental ability. I can shoot this sum. May. It means may is used in grand permission and C permission. It means may I take your pen and may I come in, sir? May God bless you.
है ना? सुनील, क्या वजह है आप इतना पढ़ते हैं, इतनी तैयारी करते हैं, लेकिन जब कभी परफॉर्मेंस देने की बारी आती है तो सिर्फ आपकी ही नहीं, अच्छों की सर्टिफिकेट गुम हो जाती है। अधिकतर लोग ये कहते हैं कि हम पहले से तैयार नहीं थे, अभी ऑन द स्पॉट हमें बताया गया। माय क्वेश्चन इज, लैंग्वेज इज नॉट द इशू। इवन इफ दे वुड बी आस्क्ड जस्ट टू स्पीक आउट इन हिंदी, आई एम श्योर दे वोंट बी एबल। सो व्हाट द रीजन? बिकॉज ऑफ हेजिटेशन। इसके पीछे कारण क्या है?
Because I live in only Hindi environment, so it's problem.
Okay, if you would be allowed, just right now, if you would be allowed to speak out in Hindi, in that case, what do you think? Would you be confident? Okay, हिंदी में बोलिए आप। क्या वजह है कि स्टेज पे आते ही कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल थोड़ा नीचे आता है?
ये जो हेजिटेशन ये किसी के साथ होता है, और स्टेज लेवल की जहाँ तक की बात है तो वो अगर हमेशा अगर स्टेज लेवल के और आते रहेगा तो जाहिर सी बात है कि इसका एजुकेशन लो होते जाएगा।
ओके, आप ऐसा नहीं सोचते कि एक इंसान को हर वक्त कम से कम परफॉर्मेंस के लिए तैयार होना चाहिए? क्योंकि हम पढ़ते हैं घंटों, महीनों, सालों, लेकिन 5 मिनट की परफॉर्मेंस हमारे पास नहीं होती, तो हमें इस बात पे गौर नहीं करना चाहिए? करना चाहिए। और जब कोई दूसरा परफॉर्मेंस देता है तो वहां बैठ के हंसना या उसकी खिल्ली उड़ाना बहुत आसान काम है। वहां बैठ के बातें करना बहुत आसान है, यहां बैठ के बोलना उतना ही मुश्किल है। राइट और रॉन्ग? सही बात है। पढ़ाई में आप ला सकते हो, यू कैन हैव वेरी गुड परसेंटेज, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100%, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्पीक आउट यू माइट बी नील। ऐसा क्यों है? हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में कुछ खामियां हैं। क्या कारण है कि बच्चा पढ़ाई में तो बहुत अच्छी परसेंटेज लेके आता है, बट दे आर अनेबल टू स्पीक आउट?
क्योंकि उसका वो प्रेजेंटेशन को सुधारना सबसे बड़ी बात है,
जो स्कूल में नहीं सुधारी जाती,
जो स्कूल में नहीं सुधारी,
किसी भी स्कूल में नहीं सुधारी जाती। तो आप क्या कहते हैं, क्या हमारे समाज में स्कूल सिस्टम के अंदर बदलाव आना जरूरी है?
बिल्कुल जरूरी है।
कौन लाएगा बदलाव?
ये सबसे पहले टीचर हो और उसके बाद जो स्टूडेंट पढ़ने वाले वो।
आज टीचरों में भी पढ़ाने का क्रेज नहीं है।
नहीं।
सरकारी स्कूलों की तो बात ही छोड़िए, क्योंकि सरकारी स्कूल को तो एड मिलती है गवर्नमेंट से, टीचर को सिर्फ अपनी तनख्वाह से मतलब है। व्हाट अबाउट देयर स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्मेंस? दे आर नॉट कंसर्न विद दिस थिंग। हालांकि उनके खुद के बच्चे प्राइवेट स्कूलों में जाके पढ़ते हैं, ये भी हकीकत है। हैं? तो सरकारी स्कूलों की तो बात छोड़िए, प्राइवेट स्कूल भी आपको नहीं लगता कि सुभान अल्लाह है? बड़े बड़े स्कूल, बड़े बड़े बैनर, सीबीएसई, हरियाणा बोर्ड, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी what about their output? They are totally nil. They might be very good at competition. They might be good in percentage. Okay, they can prepare themselves just for facing the competition. They might have been selected. I'm not saying that they won't be selected. वो सब ठीक है, लेकिन whenever it comes just to give your performance. Now your question might be every time, sir, we don't need to go for performance. Don't you think so? Suppose you have just gone to attend a party, marriage party, in which all they are well-educated persons. If you would be unable to give your performance, the moment you would be confronted with so many persons, Oh, they are well educated. At that very moment, don't you think so? You would be ashamed. So, what is the best solution of this problem?
इसका बेस्ट सोल्यूशन तो यही होगा कि अपने आप में प्रेजेंटेशन लाने की सुधार होनी चाहिए। और मुझे ये मानना है जहाँ तक ये कि अगर आपके जैसा टीचर है, और मैं ये खुलेआम बताना चाहता हूँ, अगर हमसे कोई अगर रोड पर भी अगर पूछेगा तो अगर आपके जैसा टीचर हो, इस तरह से एक टीचर ही नहीं है, समाज सुधारक भी बताया जा सकता है। तो लोगों के अंदर जो खामियां उसको बाहर करके उनमें प्रेजेंटेशन की एक अच्छी भावना पैदा कर देंगे।
लेकिन इस समाज सुधार के लिए रिस्पॉन्स भी तो मिलना बहुत जरूरी है।
यस, ये भी बहुत जरूरी है।
रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा, आई एम श्योर रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा, बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा, क्योंकि एक आई एम वेरी गुड एट टीचिंग, आई एम वेरी गुड एट ट्रेनिंग, डेफिनेटली आई विल गेट अ मार्वलस रिस्पॉन्स। लेकिन ये बात जन जन तक पहुंचानी जरूरी है। देखिए किस तरीके से, इन व्हाट वे वी कैन स्प्रेड दिस न्यूज इन द सोसाइटी।
यस,
किस तरीके से हम इसको हम समाज में लाएं?
न्यूज की बात की बात है। सबसे पहले तो ये जो हम जो स्टूडेंट पढ़ रहे हैं, हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन सुधारनी चाहिए। उसके बाद जब हमारी सुधरेगी तो हमें देख करके समाज में सुधार आएंगे, हमें देख करके ये एक न्यूज बनेगी, ना कि आपको देख करके न्यूज बनेगी। वो हमारे ऊपर ये न्यूज बनेगी जब तो आपका प्रसार होगी।
ओके, तो इसके लिए मैं ये मानूं कि जो मेरे अभी स्टूडेंट हैं वो रेस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, क्योंकि जब तक वो अपनी परफॉर्मेंस नहीं बढ़ाएंगे तब तक मैं लोगों तक जन जन तक नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगा। समझ आए? ऐसा मुझे करना होगा। इनको परफॉर्मेंस के लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा आगे लाना होगा। ओके, इसके अलावा और कोई सुझाव जो आप देना चाहते हो?
फिलहाल तो नहीं।
ओके, सुनील के लिए जोरदार तालियां। मंजू प्लीज। सॉरी, यू आर Anju, qualification wise you are graduate, you are well educated, and you have been sent in my institute by Nigar and Garima. Both of them are also well educated. Anju, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि सबसे पहले तो मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगा कि आर यू फुल्ली सेटिस्फाइड विद आवर परफॉर्मेंस? आप हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट से, आप हमारे संस्थान से पूरी तरीके से संतुष्ट हैं या नहीं? ओके, तो वही क्वेश्चन कि स्टूडेंट की परफॉर्मेंस द बेस्ट क्यों नहीं आता?
सर, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट कई बार कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं करता।
कई बार या ऑलमोस्ट हर बार?
ज्यादातर
As far as only knowledge is concerned, just formation of sentences is concerned, tenses are concerned, active passive voice are concerned, or even modals are concerned, I think you have got a command over all these concepts. Am I right? But even then, what do you think? Right now, do you have an ability to speak out in English language, or you don't have?
Just little bit, I can.
Why little bit? Do you read English newspaper on daily basis? No. Do you listen to the news on daily basis? No. These are the shortcomings. You need to get rid of your shortcomings. Only then you would be having an ability, a skill just to speak out. Because practice, not only practice but persistent and consistent practice makes a man perfect. We need to realize the value of the time, because time once has gone, it won't come back again. Time is worthwhile. Time is very precious. We must realize the value of the time. If you want to realize the value of 1 year, ask a person who built a grave. And if you want to realize the value of 1 month, ask a person who is just waiting for his payday. And to realize the value of 1 week, ask a person who is the editor of weekly newspaper. And to realize the value of 1 day, ask a person who is going to be married. And to realize the value of 1 hour, ask a person who is waiting for his beloved at the airport. And to realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who has missed his train because he was late by 1 minute. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who just narrow escaped from an accident. And to realize the value of 1 milli, 1 milli is the 1/10th part of the second, ask a person who has missed his gold medal in Olympics. So be busy, but not be fussy. You must realize the value of the time, because time once has gone, it won't come back again. and you need to be disciplined. Only self-realized discipline will work. Imposed discipline that has been imposed by the society, that has been imposed by your parents, that won't work. Only self-realizing discipline will work. I hope from today itself you would be determined just to love it. Give her a big hand. Okay, thank you very much.